Hello, hello, welcome to Comfy Cozy Up. So today I'm going to Revolution Bookstore in Harlem. Never been there, but the author of Here Comes the Sun, Nicole Dennis-Benn, is going to be there. So why not check it out? Maybe pick up some books. So stay tuned. Hold on. It was a fail vlog, so I couldn't record anything at the event, but I did enjoy myself. So this was the author of Here Comes the Sun. This is my copy, which I got her to sign, so I was very excited about that. And Nicole Dennis-Benn, and it was such a good experience because I love the discussion that was being held. So if you haven't read this book is about three women in Jamaica, and the community they live in is a tourist community, and one of the tourist resort is expanding. So basically they're moving into their community, which means they're gonna have no home. So in this book they talked about how they survived, things that they've done. A lot of it is not cute. A bit rough to read at times because I'm Jamaican myself, so some of the things that was discussed, not surprising to me because it does happen in the islands, especially when you are in an island that is primarily get revenue from tourists. So it's a really good book. I did a full review of it on my blog, so I will leave the link in the description bar, and go check it out. I gave this book a 5-star last year. It was one of my top 10 books last year, so I do highly recommend it. So currently I'm reading Into the Water. Not that far in the book, but we'll see. And I hope everybody's enjoying their weekend. And that's it. Short vlog. I'm trying, guys. I'm trying to be a little bit more active on this channel. I'm really more active on my blog, so you can always check it out, www.comfycozyup.com. And I have a new post today, so go check it out and give me some feedback. So have a good day, and subscribe. Yeah, all that good stuff. Thumbs up. I keep forgetting to say it, but all that. Bye.